Hi everyone, welcome back to Gubakkar Makkar. It is 21st Feb 2026 and I'm here on my second domestic destination for 26 as per my New Year's resolution. Um, so मैं हूँ इस वक्त वर्कला केरला में. I'll show you the view, but that's not what this video is for. This video is for the book which I had recently read called Twisted, Tangled and Trapped by Siddharth Maheshwari. Also, this is the second book from him that I've read. First one was A Murder in Dehradun, and which had obviously, compelled me to read the second one also. And I got this from book fair. Honestly, it's been a while since I had read that book. मतलब मुझे वो बुक पढ़े हुए महीने भर से ऊपर हो गया है. Imagine that book fair happened way back and I got that book. और मैंने वो Twisted, Tangled and Trapped, I had finished that book in one sitting. That book is honestly very, very, very captivating. But before I dive into the book, I would like to give a little shout out to Siddharth for sending me signed copies of these two books, Veil of Shadows and Lynchpin. Um, yeah. So I had actually posted a story tagging Siddharth Maheshwari on Instagram about the book A Murder in Dehradun, and then he had reposted it. Then and then we had a small conversation around the book, and then Siddharth was was really kind enough to ask me if I have read his other books, and at that time also I was reading Twisted, Tangled and Trapped. So I told him that I'm currently reading the other one, and so he was like kind enough to ask me for my details, and then he had sent me signed copies of these two books as well. So thank you, Siddharth, for that. But yes, moving on to the book review of Twisted, Tangled and Trapped. Yes. So the book goes where this high-profile businessman, on to be precise, a billionaire movie producer from Bombay, gets murdered, and for the same murder, three people come up and confess. Right, first one being his wife, second one being his childhood best friend, and third one being his business partner. All three people who have confessed, they all have their motives, but the inspector Vijay Wagmare knows that these characters have their motives as to why they have come up and confessed. And all the characters in the book, primarily these three characters, they are not in black or white, they are in the gray, right? And then there's another character who's a journalist, Anirban Chatterjee, who comes up and basically uh, reports the entire crime and the proceedings as to how and what exactly is taking place in unveiling of the murder and the crime. So yes, that's the entire story, and again, it is based out of Bombay, so you will know, about the beach, about Juhu, and about Bombay, how it works, about film industry in particular. So that's what I really like about Siddharth. So his first book, A Murder in Dehradun, was based out of Dehradun, obviously, and then usme bhi, he had described the city, and in the same way he has described Bombay also. And the other good part about the book is the character illustrations that he does in his books, right? So he will describe a character like every book does, right? अब वो जो भी कोई character describe कर रहा है ना, उसमें you will find an illustration of the character, right? Book. And also the book is very fast paced, right? It At the climax, it will get you. Climax is very visceral, right? It will get you in the gut, and then you realize, oh, damn, you had in no way, had that coming. That okay, this is going to be the murderer. So yes, it's pretty interesting. It is fast paced, and then as I said, I had finished that book in one sitting. So yes, it's a 4.5 out of 5 stars for me. It is definitely a must-read book if you're looking for a good murder mystery from an Indian author. Uh, and what else? Yes, I'm also excited to read these other two books. As I said, Lynchpin and Veil of Shadows. I'll be going through these books sooner or later. But and yes, that will be all from my side for this one. And if you have read Twisted, Tangled, and Trapped, do drop a comment. Tell me how it went for you. Tell me how did you like the twist. And if you've also read his other book, A Murder in Dehradun, again, do drop a comment. Yes, that will be all. As I said, I'm in Barkala right now. I'll show you the view and then I will be off from the video. Wait.